Bell 360 Invictus is a new attack and reconnaissance helicopter being developed by Bell Textron to deliver improved lethality, survivability, and extended range for Army aviation. The advanced helicopter is being offered for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program, which mainly aims to replace the Army's AH-65 Apache and OH-58 Kill Warrior helicopters. The rotorcraft will offer security and situational awareness in the battlefield upon completion of its government flight test evaluation in 2023. It will serve as an affordable, lethal, and sustainable solution while delivering next-generation performance. Development. Bell was contracted under other transaction authority for prototype agreement to design a vertical lift aircraft with advanced performance capabilities to face asymmetric threats and multi-domain operations. Bell Textron entered a partnership agreement with Collins Aerospace Systems for avionics hardware and software, incorporating cyber-hardened and enhanced digital solutions. Collins Aerospace will also offer model-based systems engineering tools and processes to integrate mission avionics into the Bell 360 Invictus aircraft. The helicopter was unveiled at the Association of the United States Army National Conference held in Washington, D.C. Bell Textron was selected to continue its work on U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program. After almost a 12-month design and risk reduction work, Bell Textron preferred Triumph systems and support for the supply of hydraulic components for the Bell 360 Invictus aircraft. Design and features. The rotorcraft's design will be based on Bell 525 Relentless aircraft, which will feature hydraulic pump and reservoir assemblies. The robust, articulated rotor, lift-sharing wing, and optimized tail rotor ensure effective attack and reconnaissance operations in both urban and rural areas. The helicopter will accommodate a pilot and gunner. The lift-sharing wing of the aircraft will mainly reduce rotor lift demand during forward flight and will offer high-speed maneuverability without a complex propulsion and drive system. A digital toolkit aboard will help in reducing hundreds of man-hours and downstream costs. The advanced digital flight control system will further offer an enhanced flight operations. The helicopter will be fitted with state-of-the-art sensors and air-launched effects to improve situational awareness and lethality across all domains. The modular open systems approach digital backbone will allow plug-and-play capability, while the platform will be compliant with Future Airborne Capability Environment. The digital fly-by-wire flight control system of the rotorcraft will be upgradable throughout its life cycle. 3D digital twin will serve as a common data source, as it helps in monitoring survivability and supporting test scenarios for evolving battlefield technology. Weapon systems. The payload capacity of the aircraft will be approximately 1,400 pounds, and the helicopter can carry internal and external weapons payloads. The aircraft will be armed with an integrated munitions launcher and a 20mm cannon, and will have the capability to support air-launched effects. It can also accommodate future weapons and current inventory of munitions. Engine and performance. Bell 360 Invictus will be powered by General Electric's T901 turboshaft engine, which will serve as the main power unit. The Pratt & Whitney Canada PW200 engine aboard the rotorcraft will act as a supplemental power unit, delivering power for ground maintenance and system checks. It will also enhance cruise airspeed, dash speed, hover payload, and autorotative performance. The helicopter will be able to fly at a maximum cruise speed of 180 knots and offer a range of approximately 135 nautical miles, with more than 90 minutes of time on station. The main rotor will have high flapping capability, ensuring high-speed flight. It will achieve hover out of ground effect of 4K. Thanks for watching.